Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Explorer.exe FailFastException error in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options, click choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, click Save Changes. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Fourth method is type System Restore in Windows search bar, click Create a Restore Point. Click System Restore. Select Restore Point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.